Today I will show you how I make my plantain chips from green plantain. You will need some plantain, of course, salt, a knife to peel the plantain and also to cut it if you don't have a cutter, and a cutter if you do have one. Comment below if you have tried this recipe or if you have a different way to make your plantain chips. I would love to see that. Also, do not forget to hit the notification bell so you do not miss any of my upcoming videos. A slicer, you can use a knife. I'll show you how to use a knife to take your plantain the easy way. Cut it into half, and you're just gonna go ahead and do your thin slice, just like that. It's the same. It's pretty similar. It's like very similar. It's just that it takes you more time if you use a knife. And then sometimes you make these little mistakes when you use a knife, whereas when you have the machine, it cuts it evenly all the time. Before I move forward, I'm gonna just get a bowl. I'm gonna put a teaspoon and a half of salt. Now that the oil is ready, I'm going to reduce the fire just a little bit, and I'm going to get 1 full cooking spoon of the salted water, and I'm going to pour in there slowly. The reason why I reduced the fire was because I didn't want it to go. Yep, that. I know water and oil don't mix, but because of the salt, it helps cool that down, so it won't like really bubble a lot. So now you have your water in there, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put my plantain pieces by pieces, and now I can bring the fire higher, back to higher. There you go. I'm just gonna put my plantain little by little. The reason why I mix that is because I wanted to distribute the salt evenly on the plantain, instead of like putting salt by itself. Some might have it, some might not have it. See, hear that plantain sizzle. Oh, it sounds so good.